Hi, Autophiles, Subhash here. Welcome to the show. So a long time ago, this chap here bought this thing here and then he left it to rot for a while. And then he tried to resuscitate it in...
Resuscitate, yes.
in a separate series on MFW.
That's right.
Another channel, which we'll link over here. But you never got around to it.
I never got around to it.
We're going to take over that series and, Vishal will brief all of you. We have some friends who will also introduce. Take it away.
Thank you, Subhash. And thank you to Autophiles for letting us do this restoration.
Oh, God.
We haven't even begun. It takes a village to raise a child. It takes a bunch of morons to fix a car, essentially. So what happened in the initial restoration journey is that I moved the car closer to me so that I could begin the restoration because, as they say, out of sight, out of mind, the car was too far away, and I did absolutely nothing. So what happened sometime after that is that our dear friend Arvinda, who just fell off the hydraulic jack, he used this car as his daily, and then when he didn't need it anymore, he gave it back to me. And I used it for a short while, but the niggling issues were too much for me to put up with. Differential, clutch leaks, all sorts of things. Nice. Now the car has been stuck for quite a while, unmoving. As you can see, the tires have become one with the ground. So this multi-episode restoration journey, the entire idea is to do each segment as one part of the car. So we're going to do wheels and tires today and perhaps battery. And we're going to also attack mechanicals, of course, very important. Interior, perhaps performance, maybe paint job, and we see how we go. Of course, this is all very ambitious and we'll see how far we really get. Because bringing all these people together and coming here and getting started was already an adventure in itself. So, what would I like to do? I'd like to create a weekend car that I can have fun with because it has a manual gearbox. And perhaps some of the other time, Subhash from Autophiles, I don't know why I'm saying Subhash from Autophiles, this is Autophiles, you know who he is. He likes to also drive manual cars, so he wants to borrow the car from time to time, which is fine. You know, he's a peaceful and decent gentleman. So, without further ado, just to introduce you to everybody, of course, Subhash, once again, Arvinda Kumar, who is...
fine when I did.
Yes. Dinesh Appavu, Drift King Extraordinaire of Jalan Templar. And behind the camera is Matthew Muscles, Hernandez Tong.
Take off your shirt.
No, nothing.
We'll make him take his shirt off eventually.
If you join us on Patreon, you can see Matthew shirtless.
Correct, yes. And on OnlyFans, he'll take his pants off as well. And away we go.
There's one camp that says we should jack up from the side, and the other one who says we should jack up from the front.
I mean, okay, the side camp has just made a decision, essentially. Okay, so now, he's lifted up the side of the car, which means I can put a jackson at the back.
Yes, that's what I thought.
Right. Careful, there's a cockroach next to your right foot.
Oh, is it that?
I think it's squashed. Oh, it's still alive. Whoa. We disturbed its home. The right front.
I feel bad. I'm offended. My car is not a cockroach home.
Nature finds
It's a cockroach house. This is how you know that the mechanic is legit. It's body glove.
How many tires are off so far?
None. No tires are off. Okay, so I have another jack. We can jack up the other side as well.
Yeah, no, I have.
How many jacks did we bring?
What the is this? Did they just come out of your car?
Yes.
Yeah.
It is not a cockroach.
Out of the car, looks like the car.
You know in Lion King, when Timon and Pumbaa want to show Simba all the delicious bugs and they lift up the rock? That's the rock.
Yeah.
That was lifted up. Slimy yet satisfying, I believe is what Simba said.
Which one is Pumbaa?
Which one is Pumbaa? Timon? And Arvind is Pumbaa. Arvinda is Pumbaa. And this is Mary Mufasa, obviously.
They used it for touring car racing.
Correct.
So you were the engineer that touring
No, I definitely engineered some on it. I like how you tinted the car.
The first thing I did when I got the car back from Arvinda was to tint it.
It's still rocking.
It is.
Yeah, it's well done.
Not enough. Let me open mine.
How many jacks does it take to jack a car? Can I drop the thing down on that?
Yeah, but then how are you going to put this in now?
It's still higher.
Yeah, it's still higher.
It's fine.
Yeah, you can
It will go in, it will go in, it will go in.
Oh, cannot.
What happened?
Another jack has been opened.
This is why I think they always jack from the
My entire job is to buy parts and tools.
You are basically the sugar daddy.
Do you know how to make it do a thing?
You got to screw it first.
The safety thing.
You screw the bar.
Incredible.
We're in business already.
Usually I use my right hand. So
Fair enough. Would you like me to take over?
I'm almost there.
Okay. He's arriving. Okay, so I've got 2 yellow, 2 black.
Good.
So you just see, like, they look just as high. So what we can do is, we can put 2 black at the back, 2 yellow at the front. So at least it's front, back, not left, right.
Yeah, that's what we
Yeah, okay, alright.
put lah faster. Put the other one.
Because I don't.
Because it's not on the lowest one.
Yeah, but it's, yeah, I know, but that's not. Is that going to be enough? Okay,
Okay, put it lah, correct or not?
done.
Sure.
Done. Let's do this.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh my god, that worked. We're in business.
Can it fit under the?
Yeah, that's right. Can you fit under that?
Do we need another jack for this?
Oh, this skirt is so loose.
Never mind lah. No choice, right?
He just said this skirt is so loose.
It might just come up. Okay, get it up the skirt.
Okay.
I'm using both hands.
Oh, okay, fair enough. Are you using the
Both he uses both. This guy's
It's not a feel and then everybody
dengan penuh syahdu. You know the video of the guy changing the bus gear like this?
I'm just saying for a 2.5 jack, it's got a very small.
Yeah, it's
It's like very romantic.
Well, it's not the size of the tool in the man, it's the
man in the tool.
yeah, it's the man in the, I don't know. When you mess up your metaphors and analogies, it's called a metaphor. So if I say, we'll burn that bridge when we get to it, it's a metaphor.
Worked. Okay, off we go. This is what happens
What happens?
when a car sits
yes.
in one place for
Very
too
good.
long.
So we got the car off the ground. There are 4 floor jacks on each corner. And now what
This is not
Arvind
how
is
you-
doing,
This is not how you remove
it's a
a nut.
strange rendition of the wheels on the Accord go round and round. But essentially we're going to get these wheels off and
And
get
the
these to a
nuts
tire
not
shop. And the nuts, we're going to remove the nuts, these nuts, and then we're going to put new tires on.
What did I say before that? I said loosen the thing before I jack it up, right?
You didn't lose it.
I told you to do that.
said it was loosened last week, what?
It's
It's mildly tightened.
mildly tightened. You basically put some. You shoved the sock in there, lah.
Oh, we were so close to the mother of
Whoa!
Yeah, exactly. Look at that.
Jesus.
I can drive it.
I'm sure. The dashboard is 100% a house.
Give me an N95 mask, I'll drive it.
Even the cockroaches want to drive it.
Oh, is that only? So you're only using my nut?
Wait. Where are the old nuts that you loosened? They're there. No, they're not there.
They're there.
They're still there.
Yeah.
Oh, because you only loosened them. Okay.
Where's your?
The new nuts, did I not pass them to you? The new nuts are there. Those are the new nuts.
No, but where's the thing that takes off the nut?
Oh, Jalebi's thing.
Oh my god, that was close.
Someone had to open them.
It could have been the end of the series. That's just. Oh my god.
What's going on?
It's been 1 hour. All the wheels are still on. So each one of these wheels had one of Jalebi's nuts. Yeah, the lock nut.
Why do you call it Jalebi?
Because it's Justin's. And I've been informed that Jalebi is Justin's nickname.
Oh, yeah.
Everybody's nicknames, just for general knowledge. Arvinda is Tambi, Dinesh is Peter, Matthew is Muscles or Mufasa, I am Tiger, Subhash, you need to tell the camera yourself, is Ice Tea, or JB, or Zone.
I can
I
swear
think it's
nobody has taken out a tire next to the pipe. At least this week, lah.
At least this week.
Should we get these tires off?
Yeah, let's do that.
Do we get it off?
I mean, they're loosened, right? No, they're off already.
They're off.
So that's why you needed the hot water for it. After 1 hour.
Lift with your knees, not with your back.
Just your fingers, I think.
Well, yes, that.
Oh, Vishal.
Yes.
What? This is why we need to keep this lean.
Right.
This is why, though they look ugly, one, they're very light.
Okay, they are very light. I was quite
And
surprised by how light they were.
Made in Japan, baby. See? Can you get that? Can you get it? Can you get it?
Ichiban.
JDM. Yeah, see, you still see that. Oh,
I think that
it's automotive archaeology. And this 17 by 7s.
Ready to go.
We're ready to go. Where's the fourth?
it is the final one.
This car is everywhere.
The Camry, presumably.
Double wishbone, bro.
All round double wishbone.
Yeah. 90s Japanese were the head of the game.
Double wishbone also car not running. Saga will start and drive to Thailand tomorrow.
Bro, there's a colony.
Oh yeah.
No, dude, let's not evict people before we even get the car running. La.
Are those termites or?
No, they're like wasps, right?
Wow, that's more comforting.
Ant?
Ant lah. At some point they'll get bored and they'll start chewing wires.
Well, I had rats in the engine bay once upon a time and they left the wires alone, so.
Let's move now.
Okay, let's move.
Yeah,
Okay.
go.
Can the Camry really fit 8 tires?
You can help with the rest.
I wish I could help, but this camera is very heavy.
This is how you carry a tire in style.
Wait, hang on. Where are you putting it? Where are you putting it?
Getting it back. What?
Wait, no, because I'm trying to figure out where to
No,
sleep.
lay it on like that. Lay it on a diagonal.
Lean,
Lay it
okay,
on
okay,
the other.
alright.
Sondo level inside. Done.
Why nobody got test car?
Yeah, lah, never mind lah. It's okay. Yeah, just tie it lah. Yeah, just tie it lah. It's fine lah. You're not breaking any rules.
Show him the face again. Show him the face again.
Why do you all insist?
I'm
You can't take a 3-ton lorry anyway. Okay, so put the 4 tires at the back and we go. We go.
So JPJ is going to stop you. Someone carrying the other.
This is how you keep your hands clean.
Are these 4 by 100 or 4 by 114?
114. 4 by 114 is rare.
Yes and no. Because the Padana uses the same one.
4 by 114, okay.
You can still find lah, but somehow you get wheels that are very offset. The Fiat Coupe has 4 by 98. Good luck with that. 4 by 98.
What the hell?
So slightly smaller than 4 by 100. 4 by 98.
Think about it, that a Kanchil PCD is a bigger diameter than a Fiat Coupe.
Done.
So what have we accomplished today?
Good question. We have removed the old tires and replaced them with new. Okay, not new. We replaced them with second-hand tires. What we're doing is we're leaving the car up on the floor stand so that we can preserve these tires. I think today was a little bit of stock taking, a little bit of planning. Battery is next, mechanical is next. At the same time, I'm going to try to source an interior to change it from the two-tone to the dark interior. But no, it's been a good day. We've all gotten together for the first time to start the project, and I have a good feeling. I mean, you know, there is, yeah,
This thing feels still.
we take what we can get.
Correct.
As far as expertise, manpower is concerned. There are muscles.
Which barely did jack today. All I did was myself.
And on that note, signing off.